Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0468S in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana. And these glasses are a square shape. The lenses are brown, and on its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens. On the side of the frame, there's another lens so that the sun can't enter your eyes and that you have full blockage from the sun when wearing the frames. The temples are also Havana, and you'll find the Gucci logo in gold on its temple. And the temple tip has an opening with a gold design around it. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its other right temple is the Gucci logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its other left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci dust bag with a Gucci logo in gold on the bag, a white and black Gucci clean cloth, and a black Gucci case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.